Happy Thursday morning, and it's definitely morning around here. We have a Phoenix fire truck out in the living room. He's waiting for me to turn on Paw Patrol. And a Skylar who's reaching over the gate trying to steal everything he can possibly steal. Little secret, I normally record the night before. I didn't last night, I was tired. So, hey. So, we got the multi-ticket going. I'm going to get some tickets today. I was going to get them yesterday. Ran out of time. We got 7 spots all filled up. Plenty more to go. Just let me know. Like I said, we're going to do 10s, 20s, 30s, and it's going to be a cash out multi-ticket. We're going to do the cash blast today. This is the 58. We did 57 yesterday. And let's get going and hope for something good. We're using the rosewood piece that Grammy gave me. I'm going to get this all done up and make it look good. And we're going to look for a 28, a 7, a 32, and a 20 today. 26. Nope. No. They're going to one off me, aren't they? Just add, you just add the numbers together. It works. That's what they're going to do. 10 off. Are you a bird?
Yes.
What are you?
I'm a cow.
You're a cow?
Yeah.
What sound does a cow make? Well, at least he actually really knows the answer. He didn't sound like a cow to begin with. And a 6. You're a chicken?
Yeah.
Okay, you're a goofball, that's for sure. Well, have a great day, everyone, and I'm sure you all can tell what I'm looking forward to today. Lots and lots of yelling and screaming. We'll be doing this payday tomorrow, and like I said, I'm going to grab all these tickets, and we'll get going. Love y'all.